The universe is full of wonders. We study stars, planets, and galaxies. But now, a new wonder emerges on Earth. We call it artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is changing our world. Machines are learning to think like us. They can solve problems and make decisions. AI is a powerful tool. It can help us in many ways. AI is like having a powerful new telescope. Just as telescopes help us explore the cosmos, AI helps us explore data. It finds patterns and insights we might miss. AI is used in many fields. It helps doctors diagnose diseases. It helps engineers design better products. AI is even used to create art and music. DeepSeek is a powerful AI platform. It's easy to use, even for beginners. Imagine having a team of experts at your fingertips. That's what DeepSeek offers. It provides access to advanced AI tools. You don't need to be a programmer to use it. DeepSeek has a simple, intuitive interface. It's designed for everyone. DeepSeek is like a Swiss Army knife of AI. It has many tools for different tasks. You can use it to analyze data, generate text, or create images. DeepSeek is constantly learning and improving. It gets smarter with every use. This ensures you always have access to the latest AI technology. Getting started with DeepSeek is easy. First, create an account. You can choose a free or paid plan. Next, explore the different AI tools. Each tool has a clear description and instructions. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different tools and see what they can do. DeepSeek offers many resources for beginners. There are tutorials, videos, and a helpful support team. You can also find a community of DeepSeek users online. They can offer tips and advice. Learning AI can be fun and rewarding. With DeepSeek, you can unlock the power of this amazing technology. DeepSeek is a versatile tool. You can use it for work, school, or personal projects. Use it to analyze your finances or research a topic. Let it help you write a poem or create a stunning image. The possibilities are endless. DeepSeek puts the power of AI in your hands. As you become more familiar with DeepSeek, explore its advanced features. You can fine-tune the AI models to get better results. You can even create your own custom AI applications. The more you use DeepSeek, the more you'll discover its potential. Embrace the future of intelligence.